Thomas the reality engine. Mattel when thinking giving a character a specific gender or diversity automatically makes them interesting. Sir. He has seen your search history, delete fast now. Thomas Fighters 2007 was such a gem. Me looking at the physics test knowing damn well I'm gonna fail. Okay, we need a theme for Edward, Mike and Jr. Using the Drake format. Using the Timothy format. Get an extremely tiny unseeable scratch on your paint or draw 25. James. What in the troublesome fuck is this? Morning. I am 100 meters from your location, hee hee. El Bozo. He dead. Men, we are never depressed. Also men when they hear the Adventure Begins soundtrack. Trucks. Trucks everywhere. You have the eyes of an angel. The angel. eBay sellers when I'm about to sell a Tommy Oliver for a logical price.
Wait a minute. That's a Type 08 diesel electric shunter. Fantastic.
When fake fans insult Boko cause they think having a different opinion makes them interesting. Botox Percy is actually official. The fuck? Balls. The perfect cosplay doesn't exist. Boko is a diesel version of Edward. That's a cute opinion. Did YouTube make it for you? Damn. I kinda want to leave. 7-year-old me when I ask for a boy toy in the Happy Meal. Yet I get a girl's toy instead. The girl you like. The girl who likes you. Low IQ Thomas fans wondering why the franchise that has been on a downward spiral isn't bringing models back. Sexiest man alive. Sodor's Legend of the Lost Treasure 17th July 2015. Have you got any coaches? You see, Thomas is only good during season 1 to 7 and season 17 to 21 with 42 books in the RWS. Average Thomas the Tank Engine fan. Average Gusto Choo Choo enthusiast. School photos be like. Me looking at a random spot in the room pretending to see the ghost. 2017. Thomas is in a great state right now with season 21. A shed for Edward. Thanks, I hate Thomas the Tank Engine face swap. Me, when I watch The Great Discovery and Thomas You're the Leader comes on.
I'm pulling a train, said Thomas, can't you see? Where are your coaches then? Thomas looked back. Why bless me, he said, if we haven't left them behind.
A new engine pulls Annie and Clarabelle. Thomas, you better run. When you realize the yad went by you, and now you look poor. Oh botherations. Before you judge Mattel's distribution and advertising of Thomas during CGI, walk a mile in the manager's shoes.
Shut the fuck up!
Me on the last day of school. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Diesel. They're the same picture. The football players on the field after a touchdown. Thanks for watching. Send your memes through Twitter or Discord.